So let's have a look on some of the landing page tools available inside AppKit. Well, there are a bunch of tools available for improving your landing page. I'm not going through all of them in this video, but below the video you can find a list with all the tools and understand exactly how they can help you improve the performance of your landing page. Here I'm going to show you just a few of them, just to show you the ones that I really like and that I use like really on a daily basis. So let me show you one that's going to help you stop wasting your traffic, because I'm sure that if you have people going to your page, landing page, e-commerce stores, whatever it is that you are promoting, and leaving those pages without performing any action, without supplying your email address and subscribing for the list, without buying a product, without sharing something on social media, without doing anything, that is traffic that you're just wasting, and that's just not acceptable in such a competitive world that we have now. So if you're just wasting traffic, you're going to get kicked out of the game by our competitors pretty fast. And this tool is going to prevent you from doing that, because the Is It Intent pop-up is going to give you a second chance to get a conversion on your page. So here's how it works. When the visitor is about to leave your web page, so that's traffic that's already lost. The person is about to leave, hit the close button and move on. When that happens, this Is It Intent pop-up is triggered, and it actually allows you to expose the visitor before they leave your web page to anything you want. So it can be very useful for offering them an amazing gift for capturing their email address, and you see that you're going to start building lists here almost on autopilot with the campaigns that you already have, simply by integrating those campaigns with the Is It Intent pop-up tool. Also, you can use this to promote a secondary offer. You can use this to get them to do something on social media, like share something on their timeline to attract more visitors to your website or e-commerce store. So a really powerful tool that gives you the chance to have a second shot with every single visitor who is about to leave your website without doing anything. So here is how it works. It's very simple to set up this tool. All you have to do is to choose how many seconds you want to delay the pop-up. Then you can customize all the style of the pop-up, let's say. So the border, the color, the style of the border. You can customize the size of the pop-up as well. And here you can put the content. You can put anything you want here. You can put an image here, you can put text here, you can put links here to landing page, you can put links here to fan page, you can put links here to other offers or additional offers. You can really put anything you want here in this pop-up. So let me just, for example, instead of dash it, let me choose double for the border. Here you have a preview to see how it looks like. Let me put a killer headline that grabs attention here. Okay, killer headline here. Make it bold, and I'm gonna make it do something like this just to grab a lot of attention. Just highlight it. Okay, just an example to see how easy it is to customize the content of your pop-up. I'm gonna increase the size as well just to make it bigger. Okay, and then when the user is about to leave your page, this is what's gonna happen. Okay, the person is going to be exposed to your pop-up, and here you're going to have a second chance to avoid losing a visitor, to avoid wasting your traffic, which is absolutely essential. And then you click here on this green button as soon as you're ready, setting up the pop-up, and then you just get the script and you activate it, and it's working on your page. Very, very simple to use. Let me show you another one that's also very interesting. It's actually probably one of the most powerful things you can do to increase the conversion rate of a sales page or of a landing page. It's to use an urgency timer. If you've been around in the internet marketing industry for a while, I'm sure you've seen a bunch of sales pages, and you've seen that many of those sales pages, they actually have a lot of urgency timers there. And it's very important because those timers, they do increase the conversion rate significantly. This is what happens. Most people are lazy. Most people procrastinate. So they make a decision, but they still do not take action. They procrastinate and let that for the next day. So you have to get them to pull the trigger instantly. And for you to do it, you have to use urgency timers. And I think that any internet marketers who use that who use urgency timers on their page knows that when the timer is about to hit 0, the conversion rate just goes through the roof. We always get a surge of leads and sales, and that is why people use these timers so often on their sales page and landing page. And if you're not doing this, you're just giving your visitors the chance to continue to be late, to continue to procrastinate, and do not buy your product. So you have to start using urgency timers really urgently. Okay, so here is how it is. It's very easy to set up. You just put, let's say that the timer shows, for example, just 10 minutes, let's say. And then we're going to show hours, minutes, and seconds. And here is a preview that shows you how the timer is working. Then you can customize the timer. You can make it look much bigger. You can make it, you can use a different color here. And well, you can, of course, customize the urgency timer, but it's pretty simple. You customize the timer, you set the time. You can also choose, it's optional, of course, URL where people get redirected to after the timer hits 0. And well, then you put this on your web page. It's very easy to do it. You're going to get the instructions, and there is also a tutorial video here showing you how to do that. And you'll see that as soon as this timer starts approaching 0, you're going to always get a surge of leads and sales. So it's very powerful. Okay, let me show you another one. Let me show you the dynamic elements tool, which I think is very interesting as well, because this one I use to grab attention, and I use this tool here to get people to read what I want them to read, and also to get people to click the elements I want them to click, such as buttons or links. This is very powerful. Basically, it allows you to apply a very eye-catching effect on any element of your page. Okay, so here we have just a piece of text, but it could be any other element, and we're going to just put it here for you to see how it works. So let's put bounce in and bounce down, for example, for you to see. Then we have the flip effects, zoom in and zoom down. Let me put the flash effect here. The shake one is very nice. Okay, so as you can see, you can apply very nice effects to your elements on your landing page, e-commerce store, whatever it is. And this is going to grab a lot of attention. You can put a discount here, you can put a call to action, and this is going to grab a lot of attention, and it's going to improve the performance of your web page. So these are all very easy to use tools. All of them come with this video tutorial that shows you exactly how to use the tool, but all of these tools, they are very, very powerful for increasing the conversion rate and improving the performance of your landing page. And actually, these tools I showed you, they are just a few examples. Below this video, you should have a complete list of the landing page tools available inside AffKit. And also, that list is going to help you understand what each tool can do for you and how each tool can help you make more money. All right, so that's it. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and make sure to grab AffKit as soon as possible to start putting these things to work on your landing page and sales page and start making more money.